It's a wonderful Friday, and today it's Game Time Fridays. So you might have seen a lot of things around me, right? So for today, instead of the usual packing away and singing some songs, how about this time we're going to turn it into a game? So moms and dads, or even if our kids are as young as 10 months old or even earlier than that, it's okay to show them how to pack away toys because that is where they learn. Whenever they see you doing it, whenever we try to make it into our routine, every time they play their toys and then after they play their toys, they put it back, it serves as one way of making them being responsible, independent, and at the same time, teaching them how to organize things. All right, so let's get started. You can have different toys around you, okay, and then scatter it anywhere. It can be some balls, toys. Doesn't have to be toys. Maybe like some sticks and anything that you can see at home. And of course, I also have here my laundry basket. You can have a canister. You can have just a normal basket that you have at home, and we're going to start. Now, we're going to play some music to make it more fun, and how about we're giving you a challenge, moms and dads. Whenever you can stop the music or pause the music, then let the kids try to pause and freeze. And then you can play it again, and then they can try to pack away their toys. Are you guys ready? Ready? Okay, now remember, moms and dads, with every game activity or every skill that we do here at the little gym, we always assure them that we can do all things. If we get to or we do some mistakes, it's all right. And of course, make it more fun. Okay? Don't forget the safety. All right? Ready? At the count of 3, ready, and 1, 2, 3, and pack away your toys, everybody. The music is playing. Let's go. Pack away. Oh, freeze. Don't move. Don't move, kids. oh, there you go. It's playing again. Let's go. Pack away. Oh, freeze. Don't move. Okay, there you go. Faster if you can do it fast. Freeze. Play it again. One more. Almost. Freeze. Last one.
Running in the sun. It's a special gift to know.
Let's give ourselves a big hand. Wow, that was easy, right? Okay, now aside from playing some songs or different kinds of music, or you can even moms and dads, you can even try to play their favorite music in the background. You can also try to use our pack away song here at the little gym, which I can try to show you and sing it with you, okay? And it goes like this. It's time to put your toys away, toys away, toys away. It's time to put your toys away at the little gym. And you can even try to connect with another song, which is quite common for all of us. It goes, clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your share. And you can keep going until they're done. Okay, now moms and dads, please try to help them up if they need to also. Okay, that's it for today. This is me, Teacher Sigrid. I hope you will have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you again next week for some snippet fun. And of course, don't forget to watch our TLG at home episodes for both for parent-child classes, pre-K kindergarten classes, and grade school classes with Teacher Sham, Teacher Sigrid, me, and Teacher Stephen.